Hi, I'm Prabhu Jayaram from OPSWAT. I'm the channel manager for Middle East, Turkey and Africa. Cyber incidents have increased phenomenally. Along with the evolution of technology, threat actors have also started using sophisticated tools and methods to evade detection and to attack. And that's why at OPSWAT, we have built our solutions based on a zero trust philosophy. We trust no file and trust no device. We have been protecting both IT and OT environments of the world's critical infrastructure for more than 2 decades. Let's look at how we address our customers' challenges and the solutions that we offer. Let's begin with the solutions we have for the OT environment. One of the most common challenges of OT network is asset visibility, monitoring, and vulnerability management. OPSWAT Neuralizer, which is a simple and intuitive out-of-the-box solution, helps you to detect both known and unknown devices that's connected to your network. By asset discovery, we don't just identify the IP or the MAC address, but we discover every information about the device, like its model number, types of connection, and the firmware version that's running on it. Neuralizer not only detects your OT assets, but it can also help you identify threats, vulnerabilities, supply chain violations, and non-compliance issues. There are not many solutions that protect the last line of your OT, the connections between HMIs and PLCs. OPSWAT OT Fuse is a machine learning based industrial firewall that can act as an IDS and IPS for your OT environment. OT Fuse intercepts the connections between your HMIs and PLCs and prevents any malicious connection from causing an outbreak. Scanning offline devices and enforcing supply chain requirements like country of origin is also one of the challenges of OTNet. Our MetaDefender drive does just that by using more than 5 different anti-malware engines. MetaDefender drive scans any device to ensure that it is not vulnerable, acting maliciously, or has any sensitive data. And the biggest challenge of OT network is data transfer. Most OT networks are air-gapped or isolated for security and compliance reasons. Within your OT environment, you have files that perform different functions, such as updating a PLC or upgrading firmware on an HMI. How do we transfer these files safely into your OT environment? We leverage on MetaDefender kiosk that will scan, sanitize, and proactively prevent data loss of files from removable and external media. Now that we have scanned these external media for any kind of known and unknown threats, how do we secure these files onto your OT environment? Well, we leverage on NetWall, our unidirectional security gateway that ensures physically proven one-way communication of these scanned and sanitized files onto your secure file storage solution, the MetaDefender Vault. Vault isn't just a repository for the files. It ensures that the file is scanned for threats even if it has been scanned previously. Before we look at the solutions we have for the IT environment, let's look at our modular platform, the MetaDefender. MetaDefender platform has almost 6 different modules that complement each other with different functionalities to address known and unknown threats. We have features like multi-scanning that gives you an option of up to 30 plus anti-malware engines. Deep CDR helps you scan more than 100 different types of files to protect your critical infrastructure from unknown and zero-day threats. Proactive DLP, which helps not just to detect but proactively prevent data loss. File level vulnerability assessment scans and analyzes files to detect known application vulnerabilities. We also have the sandbox feature, which helps you do fast dynamic analysis of all these files. We also have a complementary threat intelligence, which gives you access to billions of IPs, domains, and hashes. So that's our MetaDefender platform. Most of our solutions are based on our MetaDefender platform, and we leverage on the strengths of the MetaDefender platform depending on different use cases. The number one attack vector used by cyber criminals is email and file attachments that comes through email. We offer comprehensive email security that protects your organization from all types of email related threats. We differentiate ourselves with deep CDR and multi-scanning, and we offer up to 30 different antivirus engines to scan your email attachments. Whether your email is hosted on the cloud or on premise, we have a solution that addresses both. We also have an on-prem and cloud version of our MetaDefender email security solution. Organizations today need to securely upload files to their network while ensure that all web traffic is secure. These commonly used files can play host to malicious code embedded within them. Our MetaDefender ICAP server can seamlessly integrate with any ICAP-enabled network appliance, including forward and reverse proxies, web application firewalls, load balancers, web gateways, SSL inspectors, and so on. So it ensures that all your web traffic is safe and secure. We also have secure storage. As organizations embrace digital transformation, cloud-based storage, and remote work initiatives, however, such a diverse and distributed storage ecosystem can leave IT and security departments in a blind spot when it comes to malware and sensitive data loss. Protect cloud and on-premise storage with OPSWAT MetaDefender Storage Security. Run periodic and real-time scans of your storage servers to prevent latent outbreaks. Scan on-prem files before migrating them to a cloud platform. File uploads from external sources to cloud storage. Within your network or connecting remotely, MetaAccess NAC provides compliance and posture check to ensure that the endpoints trying to connect to the corporate network and access the critical infrastructure are compliant as per the required corporate policies. It also utilizes enhanced security features such as patch management, remote application removal, screensaver enforcement, screen capture, and keylogger capabilities. MetaAccess OT provides the most secure method for remote employees or third-party vendors to access your OT endpoints. So these are our solutions that's protecting the world's critical infrastructure. Let us know how we can protect your critical infrastructure. We are happy to demonstrate and help you evaluate our platforms. For more information, please contact me or visit opswat.com. Thank you.